When choosing a heat pump system, there are two types to consider: air source and geothermal. An air source heat pump system uses refrigerant and coils to move heat back and forth between a unit inside your home and a unit outside your home, maintaining a comfortable indoor environment throughout the year. In warm weather, the heat pump cools your home by removing heat and excess humidity from the air inside the house and transferring that heat to the outdoor unit where it's released. During cold weather, an air source heat pump captures natural heat energy from the outside air, then transfers it inside and distributes warm air throughout your home. While heat can be extracted from the air in even the coldest months, air source heat pumps typically will rely on backup heating during extremely cold conditions. A geothermal heat pump system circulates a water-based solution through buried pipes, installed underground or in a nearby body of water, taking advantage of the Earth's constant temperature to regulate your home's indoor temperature. No matter the temperature outside, your geothermal heat pump relies on the stable temperature below ground to efficiently maintain your home comfort year-round. The Environmental Protection Agency found that installing a geothermal heat pump system has the same environmental impact as planting 750 trees. There are many benefits to upgrading to an air source or geothermal electric heat pump system. To learn more, visit savingswithstayingpower.com or contact your local electric provider.